You have seen already our Honorable President Sri Naveen Patnaik ji inside the room before leaders. He has declared it and he has admitted Srimati Sujata Raut, ex-IS officer, who has served the state as Orissa cadre IS officer since last 25 years in the party as a simple member of the party. And Naveen ji also told media person that he will be leading the party in the coming 29 election. So there is no confusion. The clarity has been given, and you see from different spectrum, different phases, many people like Dilip Tirki, the international hockey star, he joined our party. Naveen Babu is leading. Why we are thinking that you see the elimination of Naveen ji now? Naveen ji is leading, and he has, the people of Odisha have tremendous faith upon him and upon his leadership in all, right from the city and village. He is the leader. So no question we are thinking of substitute of Naveen.
Well, Biju Janata Dal has always welcomed people from different walks of life, whether it is industry, administration, scientific temper, or any background. She has been an IAS officer in Odisha with long service record, has led many important projects. Therefore, she brings a strong administrative experience to the party, and therefore our Honorable President Sri Naveen Patnaik, all party leaders and workers all together welcomed her into the party. The Honorable President of the party clearly said to all of you that 29 election he will be leading, so therefore the question of succession etc. is completely irrelevant. So there's no need to discuss that. Well, I think every new person that comes in adds to the BJP's muscle of fighting for people of Odisha.
देखिए आज श्रीमती सुजाता राउत आज बीजेडी में ज्वाइन किए हैं। नवीन बाबू ने उसको ज्वाइन करवाया। ये आज खुशी का मुहूर्त है। बहुत हमने बहुत खुशी व्यक्त करते हैं। एंटायर उड़ीसा का हमारा जो बिजू परिवार है, बिजू परिवार का सब नेतागण, कर्मीगण, वर्कर्सगण सब खुशी व्यक्त करते हैं। आगामी दिन में आप देखेंगे तो वो तो बहुत गुड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर भी थे। वो उसको माना जाता है उड़ीसा का जो मिशन शक्ति मॉडल का आर्किटेक्टर बोलते हैं उसको। इसलिए हम बहुत खुशी है। आगामी देखेंगे तो आगामी दिन में फ्यूचर में बहुत अच्छा होगा। थैंक यू।
She is committed, devoted for our state interest question is concerned. She was joined in 2000 IAS cadre in Odisha cadre. From this period, 24 and 5 years, being a senior IAS and up to principal secretary, she was devoted for developmental work. That too particularly women empowerment question is concerned. Mission Shakti have a new vision and development. UNO also recognized Odisha development of women empowerment. Bill Gates was praised like anything in global forum. That was the achievement of Mission Shakti. Headed by Naveen Patnaik leadership, Sujata Raut, she was devoted for women empowerment in our state. After resignation of the IAS service, he joined Biju Janata Dal. She is asset for our state and party also. Women empowerment is very much challenging question in our state. Present government is not taking off the challenging issue of women empowerment. Sujata Raut will take off this issue and make it bigger platform, have a new vision of women empowerment. She is asset for our party and development, and she was declared today. She will work with full devotion and commitment for the interest of the state.